Hey, attention homeowners. Are you excited about the upcoming holiday lighting season? Well, maybe you're not. Maybe you're dreading getting out the ladder, all the lights, all the extension cords, the timing devices, all the clips, all that comes along with installing your exterior holiday lighting for this season. Well, you're in luck. TLC provides all the lights, the installation, the takedown, and the storage. So we'll come out to your house for free, no obligation quote of all your holiday lighting needs. All you have to do is fill out the contact information. We'll contact you, we'll come out, provide you a sketch, the lights that we'll need to make your vision come to life, install it all. We'll take it all down in January, we'll store it, and then you'll be set for the upcoming holiday lighting season and for many more. So hit the link below for more information.